Okay, if you want to know how to review your child's science fair information and what they're submitting to me, and you want to know what the expectation is for their grading, this is how to do it. So you can log in as your child into their Clever. You do that in sso.browardschools.com. And when you log into their SSO, you're going to see their apps, and the app that you're looking for is this Canvas app. Now, ideally, when that Canvas app opens, I have a bunch on mine, but your child should only have a handful. And you can start by going to Homeroom. When you go to Homeroom, or they go to Homeroom, in the Week 17 playlist, I added this link called Science Fair, and you can click on that link. That link might take a moment to open, but you're going to end up with a page that looks like this. And if you look at this, each of these are live linked to those students' pages. They are not linked to my page. They're linked to their own pages. So as they make updates, it updates the whole science fair. So as they work on it, they don't have to change how they're sharing it or anything like that, as long as they continue working on the Office 365 platform. So if I click on any of these, I'm going to go and see their projects. So I'm going to open Mackenzie's real quick just to show you, because I know that she's been working hard through it. And now if I scroll through, I can see some of Mackenzie's work that she's created. Okay, when Mackenzie changes this document, it's going to change that document for everything, for everybody. Like this, I don't have to relink it. So I'm still missing a few people that haven't sent me their links. Next, if you want to know how your child's doing, if I go into courses and I click on Science grade 5 for SC semester 1, then I'm going to get a page that looks like this. And this has all of their assignments on it. If you look at all the green check marks, that just is showing that they're all published for the students, and has all the information that they need, including at the bottom, I have additional resources. So there's little videos that kind of explain things, websites, planning guides, ways that you send me the links so I can add you to our PowerPoint. And the newest thing that I added is the slideshow rubric. This is how your child's going to be graded on this project. So basically, out of each slide, it's out of 5 points. And if they follow the format, they have proper grammar, they're going to get a 5. I want to note that proper grammar includes uppercase and lowercase letters. If they've typed everything in all uppercase, they're not going to qualify for this 5. They're going to go down to this 4. So you can go through and see and kind of match this up to what your child is providing. If it says something like follows appropriate format, then when you go to the modules, for example, this is one that a few of the kids have made mistakes on, and I look at the statement of purpose. And when I go into this assignment and I look, there's an exact format of what this should look like. It is not a one-sentence answer. They need to have the purpose of this project is, and then a sentence. This is tested by, and the rest of the sentence. The control is, the rest of the sentence. They need to have this exact format. If they don't, they're not going to qualify for that 5 points. So please, over the holiday, take some time. It doesn't have to be a lot of time, and just review their assignments and make sure that what they've written makes sense. This is an assignment that they can receive help with that would be appropriate. Happy holidays, and I hope this helps. Thanks.